Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of ENOVIA Tips and Tricks. Today we'll see how you can leverage favorites options in the Relations app to instantly retrieve complex product relations. This is especially useful when you want to quickly present such relations in your meeting with stakeholders or during your presentation. In this case, Bill wants to find out a part which was revised in order to fix particular issue. He can use ENOVIA's Relations app and dig into relations of this issue until he finds the associated revised part. But this is time consuming and he cannot afford to spend much time on digging into relations during his meeting with stakeholders. To solve this problem, he drags this issue in the Relations app, expands the relations to find out associated change requests, impact analysis, change order, change action, and finally realize changes where he can see the revised part. Further, he saves this relations view as favorites so that he can open the same relations on the fly during his meeting. During meeting, he clicks on this favorite relations, which opens this expanded relations view instantly. Using favorites feature in the Relations app worked wonders for Bill, and I'm sure it will help you as well. If you have any questions, feel free to connect with us in the ENOVIA users community. Thank you.